one of those spaces. Yeah, that'd be fun. Oh, look at that. It's deeper. Remember that, Jake? It's deeper. Because remember there was a bar right out there, a gravel bar, that you could stand on and cast. Yeah, huh? It split the damn water in half. Yeah. I don't know, it was a pretty big hole down there. Maybe we should slow down, yeah. Yeah, look at all them fish right there. There's something in there. Woo! You got one? There you go, Jake. That's a nice one. That didn't take long. Nice. Aha! There might be a little smallmouth in there that wants a sweet beaver. Oh damn! Hold on. Look at that. I like that. That was nice. Carp hit mine last time. Ryan got one? I got one. Is it pulling back? Gotta go get it. Oh, Jake, look at that. Fish. Pretty fish. Somebody's having a hard time in the hole. Jacob don't know how to fish. Brian making short strike casts. Brian wants to catch them right in front of him. He wants to see them come up and eat it. They do that sometimes. That was a big fish, guys. I threw up into that slack water in the back. That's that drop shot, baby. That's that drop shot.
You wouldn't have made that cast had I not said.
You hung up? You got a fish?
Yeah.
Yeah! Double! Double trouble. Oh, Brian, walk him down, walk him down. Walk down to him. He got off of it? Heck yeah. I like catching them on the camera like that. Oh, he kicked it out. I caught him off that fast and slow water right there. Saw that, didn't you? There's fish stacked in here, boys. Oh my gosh! I hope my camera got that. Can't? How come? Man, these are stuck in there. Pretty little bass. I like that. Dinner, sweet potato, chicken, 5-minute rice. Chicken was cooked with some, garlic salt.
Man, some butter right there. Brown
Man,
sugar.
I wish we had some butter and some brown sugar. That'd be good. But we roughing it, boys. Pretty fire.
Can we drop one of these in there? How about this big one? Sure.
All mixed up. No utensils, boys. No utensils.
You're straight Aborigine.
We're straight Aborigine. That's what Jacob said. I don't know if Aborigines had lighters and beers and
sweet potatoes
and tinfoil, but hey, man, it's.
I meant primitive. Sorry.
I guess it is a little more primitive.
Ooh, dude,
primitive, just as horrible.
That was a whole chunk.
Sorry.
Oh my god, that tastes so good. Oh my god.
That's a nice smallmouth, man. There goes my tube. I dropped it right into this shadow and let it go down in there, and I just jigged it up a couple times. There had to be a fish there. There's all those other fish there. You got a fish? Oh, Jake. Oh, Jake. That's a nice smallmouth, man. Oh my goodness. I got the net. I got the net, man. Oh man, that's a nice worm. Oh, that's a nice fish, dude. Dude, set that drag, man. Set that drag. Oh man, here. I get below him. Where's he at? Ooh, look at that fish. I mean, get some where you can reel on him a little bit. Yeah, smallmouth holding that current, Jake. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Watch those rocks right there. Yeah. I'm getting below him. You just gotta bring him right over here to me. Bring him right into this here net. Oh. He's got you going down river, boy. Watch my rod behind you, Brian. He's got you riding down river. Yeah, he's done. He's done. Bring him in. Got a fish? You got a fish? Oh, he does have a fish.
It's all caught up now.
He's still on there. Giving him a little drink. Alright, pull him up. Let's get him off of there. Don't need to fight that current like that.
Good looking specimen. Goodbye, my little friend.